Welcome to ImageKit User Management Tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the various user roles and their capabilities and learn how to add a new user and user groups to your account. Let's start by adding a new user. Click on the username at the bottom of the media library and choose User Management in the menu to access user role settings. The User Management menu has both users and user groups in it. You'll see several users listed in the User Management screen. Click on the Add New User button and then provide the name, email, and select the user's role from the list available. Let's take a quick look at the user roles and what they can do within ImageKit. The account administrator has complete control over account settings. They can add and manage users, control access to the media library, manage API keys, and access billing information. Developers can manage the media library and perform asset operations. They can access everything in the media library except user management and billing. Users with full access to the media library can upload, edit, and manage media assets and create folders and collections as they desire. This is ideal for members of the marketing team. A user with this role has view-only access to the media library. They cannot upload media assets or create new folders. The user can only open and search the already uploaded files and folders. Users with media library restricted access have limited permissions. Their actions are constrained, ensuring data security. If you want to restrict certain users' access to specific parts of your media storage, you can create a collection in the media library and share only those assets. This ensures you expose only relevant portions of your media storage, not the entire media library. The finance role provides access to billing information, allowing the user to manage payment details and review billing history. Once you've chosen the relevant role, click Submit, and you'll see a notification for successful addition. The user will have access based on the role you've chosen. Let's look at how to create user groups in ImageKit. Only users under the role of Media Library Restricted Access can be added to any user group. To create a new user group, head to the user groups and click on Create Group. Give the group a name and select the users who will be a part of this group. You can edit this list of associated users later by editing the group. With the user groups created, you can now share collections or assets and control who can view, manage, and contribute to them. Understanding the user roles and groups ensures the right access levels and enables efficient collaboration in the media library with your internal and external teams. Go ahead and try ImageKit today.